Good morning, students. Today we are going to see what is CRO. CRO stands for cathode ray oscilloscope. Okay. Today we are going to see cathode ray oscilloscope, the working principles and applications. So it is an important equipment which were used in our ECE laboratories. Okay. Cathode ray oscilloscope. Okay, what is CRO? The CRO stands for cathode ray oscilloscope. Okay, it consists of 4 sections mainly. What are the sections means? They are display sections, vertical control sections, horizontal control sections and triggers. Okay, these are the 4 main sections present in CRO. CRO stands for cathode ray oscilloscope. It consists of 4 main sections: display section, vertical controller, horizontal controller and triggers. So a cathode ray oscilloscope is an electronic text instrument. It is used to obtain waveforms when the different input signals are given. Okay, so in early days, it is in olden days, it is called as oscillograph. Now it is called as oscilloscope. Okay, in olden days it is called as oscillograph. Since it plots the graph between x and y, it is called as oscillograph. The oscilloscope observes a change in the electrical signals over the time. So what is CRO? Thus the voltage and time describe the shape and it is continuously graphed beside a scale. Okay, by seeing the waveform we can analyze the properties like amplitude, frequency, rise time, distortion, time interval, etc. Okay, we can analyze the flow or feature of the signal which we receive, and we can separately state the properties like amplitude, frequency, time interval, etc. Okay, so this is the CRO which we are using in our electronics lab. Okay, இதை பார்த்துருப்பீங்க எல்லாரும். இந்த CRO தான் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ் லேபில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். So this is the block diagram of CRO. Okay, already I told the important sections in CRO are it is a display section and horizontal section, vertical section and trigger section. Okay, it is the vertical section, this is the horizontal section, this is the display section and this is the trigger circuit. These are the 4 main sections present in the CRO. Okay, so for giving the input signal we are using the CRT means cathode ray tube. Okay, for giving the signal, input signal, we are using the cathode, this is the cathode ray tube. Okay, through this the input signal, the electron gun is used to inject the electron beam to the cathode ray tube. It have 2 sections, vertical section and horizontal section. In vertical section we have delay line, in horizontal section we have time based generator. Okay, when we inject the electron beam into the circuit, it passes through the vertical plates and horizontal plates, and finally the signal will inject into the POSPER screen of the POSPER screen. Okay, we can see the feature or flow of electrical signal through the cathode ray tube. Okay, in cathode ray tube we have high voltage supply and low voltage supply. Okay, let us see the each part in detail. Okay, CRO recruit the cathode ray tube and act as the heat of the oscilloscope. In oscilloscope, the cathode ray tube produces the electron beam which is accelerated to the high velocity. So the CRT is used to inject the electron beam at high velocity. Okay, it brings the focal point on the fluorescent screen. The screen produces a visible spot where the electron beam strikes with it. Okay, by detecting the beam above the screen, we can detect the electrical signal. The electrons, it will travel as a electrical pencil of light which produces the light where it strikes on the screen. So when we see the block diagram of CRO, we need water supply, we need electrical signals and voltages, we need a power supply circuit, we need high voltage and low voltage for the cathode ray tube. Okay, so what is the purpose of low voltage in cathode ray tube? The low voltage is used for the heater of the electron gun. Okay, electron gun heat பண்றதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றது என்னன்னா low voltage. High voltage எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா it is required for cathode ray tube to speed up the beam. Cathode ray electron gun ஹீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறது லோ வோல்டேஜ். கேத்தோட் டியூபை அதோட எலக்ட்ரான் பீமை ஸ்பீடப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து என்னென்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹை வோல்டேஜ். ஓகே, the normal voltage supply is necessary for other units of oscilloscope. The horizontal and vertical plates are placed between the electron gun and skin. Okay, you can see the already you seen the block diagram of CRO. It is placed between the electron gun and screen. You can detect the beam according to the input signal. The signals are passed from the vertical deflection plate through the vertical amplifier. Thus it can amplify the signal to a particular level. If an electron beam is detected in the x-axis and y-axis, a trigger circuit is given for synchronizing the two type detections. Hence, horizontal deflection on starts at the same point of the input signal. So this is the detailed block diagram of the cathode ray oscilloscope. You have the vertical amplifier, horizontal amplifier, synchronizing amplifier, and a sawtooth generator, and calibration oscillator, and blanking circuit. And this is the cathode ray tube, vertical section, horizontal section, focusing anode. This is the cathode ray tube. So what is the purpose of vertical deflection system? Okay, the main function of this amplifier to amplify the weak signal. Okay, the vertical deflection, the function is to amplify the weak signal. The amplified signal can be produced the desired signal. To examine the input signals are penetrated to the vertical deflection plates through the input attenuator and number of amplifier stages. Horizontal deflection system, it's used to sweep the voltage. Okay, that is painted by sweep voltage that gives the time base. Okay, for producing the time base, the horizontal deflection plates are used. By seeing the circuit diagram, the sawtooth sweep generator is triggered by synchronizing amplifier. The horizontal deflection system is switches in the internal position. There are 4 types of sweeps. They are recurrent sweep, triggered sweep, driven sweep, non-sawtooth sweep. Okay, recurrent sweep, it is a new sweep started immediately at the end of the previous slip.